not at all, not at one time. Okay. Yes. So today we will see this example. So how to make this one. So this shape is a little bit complicated. Okay. So you can do this shape using part design, but part design is you have to use many tools and difficult. Okay. I mean, cumbersome to use part design, but if you use shape design, it's very easy. So how you do shape design? So first you create this one. Okay, create this one, sketch, and extrude length is 100, right? So I created this sketch, so that is the front view. Okay, and extrude is this one, so that is 100. Okay, so this one you can create whatever may be the length, but minimum length should be around 82. Okay, so later you can delete that portion, upper portion. Okay, trim upper portion. So so first I create this sketch. Okay, this sketch, it's a 60 distance, and I can give R10 later with fillet. Okay, so start shape, generative shape design, and example 1. And here select YZ plane. So YZ plane, because I want to draw front view, I choose YZ plane. And here select this tool, and so first draw that one, just like a rectangular shape. Okay, just like a thin shape. Okay, the distance is 60 here. Okay, 60, select that one. So 60 is the length of that one. Okay, so this length is can be anything. Okay, you can delete it later. Okay, you can delete it later. So but minimum should be, I mean, trim the portion later. So the minimum length should be 82. Okay, so from the bottom it should be 82. Okay, this one here, 82. So but I delete that later, so we can choose this one. You don't need to give the dimension right now. So extrude, yes, I want to give extrude. What is the extrude length? 100. This length is 100, right? So 100. So 100 means 50 this side and 50 the other side. 50. I want to keep the sketch at the center, because if I keep the sketch at the center, it is easy for me to draw other sketches. Okay, so that's why you can choose 100 one direction, 100. Okay, so extrude, so 50 in one direction and 50 in another direction, or you can choose a preview. Okay, that is a extrude. So next one is what I draw is next one is I draw this surface. Okay, this surface. So this surface. So where I draw, I choose this one as a plane. Okay, this surface as a plane, and draw the sketch. The sketch is where, so that one is 100 radius. Okay, radius. So from the center. Okay, this is the center line. So that's why I choose a mirror extent. Okay, I want to keep the center at the center of the sketch. Okay. Okay, so you can choose this side. Okay, that is a right hand side. Okay, and draw arc or circle. Okay, you can draw arc or circle. I just draw a circle. So or you can draw arc is better. Okay, so arc or circle. So arc. So circle means you have to trim later again. I mean two-dimensional trim. So you should start this arc. Center line of this arc should be along this axis. Okay, so center line of this arc is along the vertical axis. Okay, you can see the sky blue color, right? So that means the center should be coincidence to the and okay. So what is the radius of that arc? R100. Okay, select the radius of that arc. So 100. And here this one and this one both are matching, right? They are matching. So select this point and this line. Choose the coincidence constraint. Okay, so coincidence constraint, and you choose this one and this one as coincidence constraint. So because both are coincidence with the edges, right? Extreme edges. And so later what you do is from here to here is 82. Okay, so we can choose from this line or from this edge. Okay, from this axis to this curve, the height is 82. Okay, and now we can extrude again that curve. So what is the extrude length here? So from here to here, right? 50. So from here to here, 50. Okay, so clear all drawings and extrude is 50, and second direction 0. So second direction you can keep anything, but when we trim, that will also be deleted. Okay, so you don't need to worry. So just only one direction is 50. Okay, so now I have to delete this one, right? Trim that one. So you can choose trim, right? Trim. So trim is, you can see this one is split and this one is trim. Okay, trim. So this one and this one. So we have to select other side, next element. Okay, so only this one delete. Okay, only this one. Okay, and again we choose this surface and draw this one, right? So this one is same radius. Okay, 100, and edges, both edges are matching, and you draw arc from the center. Okay, draw R100. So choose this one. So you have to draw arc in reverse side. Okay, reverse side. So this one and this one. Okay, this one and this edge, the point and edge matching. Use coincidence constraint. And same here, this point and this edge is matching. Use coincidence constraint. And both are matching, right? This one and this one. We should use tangency constraint. Okay, not coincidence. Coincidence means the this sketch, the bottom sketch is in different plane, right? We should not use coincidence. Okay, so tangency constraint. Tangency means touching, like okay. Oh, I think I did not draw the center line. Is okay, and why this one? Our radius is not given, so radius of the arc is 100. So radius of the arc is 100. Okay. So now that is also extrude. So other direction 50. Okay. And again trim that one. Okay, trim that one. So yeah, I mean I have to delete this portion because we cannot draw exactly, okay, like this one, just trim where both are meeting. Okay, so this one, this, so trim that one. Okay, yes, now so I don't need sketches, I don't want to see all the sketches, just hide the sketch. Okay, so hide all those sketches. Okay, you want to, if you want to hide individually. Okay, select individual sketches and hide, or you can view here tools, in tools, hide all sketches at a time. Okay, hide all sketches at a time. Yes, now what remained is, so give the fillet. I did not teach fillet, right? Just fillet is straightforward, R10 and R10. And similarly here R10 and R10, radius 10 and 10. So select those edges. So this edge and this edge and this edge, all the 4 edges having same radius, so you can select at a time. So fillet is in operations toolbar. So edge fillet, not shape fillet. Okay, so say edge fillet, so radius 10 millimeter. Okay, yes. So the surface is finished. Okay, surface design is finished. So I said the surface design only give, okay, only give the surface, okay, of a model. So it does not contain any thickness or any mass or any volume or something, okay, any density. So surface is here, right? So here thickness is 2 millimeter is given. So this surface does not contain any thickness. We have to give the thickness. Okay, so thickness upper portion. Okay, so assume we have drawn the surface here. Okay, assume this, we have drawn the surface bottom. So how to give? We have to choose the volumes toolbar. Okay, thick surface. So 2 millimeter. Okay, so 2 millimeter. So this one. Yes, this one is giving the thickness in lower direction, and upper direction, reverse direction means, okay, upper direction. Or if you want to give 1 mm outside and 1 mm inside, okay, you can give. So this is the final product. Okay, so the surface you can see here in the middle. If you want to hide that surface, so you can hide all the surfaces. Okay, select all the surfaces, or you can view tools, hide all the surfaces. Okay, so this one is the surface. So suppose here if you draw the same thing in wireframe and surface design, you don't see this volume toolbar. Okay, volume toolbar is not available, and all the tools are available. Okay, here extrude and everything, trim and split, all the tools are available here, but volume tools are not available. Suppose if you draw this same thing in wireframe and surface, using wireframe and surface design or benches. Okay, so in that case what we do, we have to again go to part design to give thick surface. Okay, so go to part design and give the thick surface. So thick surface is where is that one? Here, thick surface. So yes, you can select that one, 1 millimeter and 1 millimeter. So the color is different here. Okay, so that is how we draw this one. Okay, so that is the end of this class.